All right, YouTube, we're going to be reviewing and looking at how to use Rain-X water repellent. Let's get straight into it. Let's go. Rain-X water repellent. Instructions. Clean and thoroughly dry surfaces before treating. Apply in a temperature above 40 degrees. Turn sprayer nozzle to spray in on position pointing away from your face. Apply Rain-X into a small folded dry cloth and wipe onto exterior surface using a firm circular motion overlapping motion. Allow to dry until a slight haze appears. Reapply Rain-X to ensure complete and uniform coverage. Remove final haze with a dry cloth or by sprinkling with water and wiping with a paper towel until crystal clear. After use, turn spray nozzle to off position. Store and transport in a closed upright position. Okay, so you do not want to get this on anything else. It says right here, remember, always use your windshield wipers as necessary. For exterior use only, automotive glass and windshields, exterior side and rear windows, fog lights and headlights. Important, do not use on plastics unless pre-approved by the manufacturer of the plastic to be treated. Do not use on or allow product to contact painted surfaces or surfaces treated with an anti-reflective, scratch resistant or other coatings. That means if you have a ceramic coating, don't get this product on there. Only use it on glass, exterior glass. So here we go. So have a clean microfiber towel. Going to spray it onto the microfiber towel. Doesn't take much. Then going to apply it. Circular motion, overlapping. It is sunny today, so this product should dry to a haze fairly quickly. Then going to take the same rag, same microfiber towel, going to turn it over to a dry side. Since it's already pretty much dry, what I'm going to do is take this towel and then buff it off. Just take a little bit of pressure to buff this off, but when it does come off, it looks crystal clear, as you can see. Looks amazing, looks clear. There we go. Rain-X is applied. So there we go. That's how you use Rain-X water repellent. Applies water beading technology to dramatically enhance visibility. All right, and if you're wondering, before we go, if you're wondering how Rain-X looks and how it works, this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. There we go. Be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this.